Welcome to K-Math with Joey Sable. Today's lesson is on the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is used for quadratic equations, and there's usually two answers. It starts off with x equals, and then it is a fraction. The opposite of b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and also the opposite of b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. There's a song that helps you remember it. The opposite of b plus or minus radical b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. There's also the story about Bob. Everything that Bob did was wrong, or the opposite of what he wanted to do. So that's the opposite of b. Negative b, the opposite of b. If b is 5, then the opposite would be negative 5. If b is negative 10, then negative 10, two negatives make it positive 10 for the opposite of b. The opposite of b is Bob doing everything backwards. He decides to go to a party. Should he go or should he not? Should he go or should he not? Plus or minus. He decides to go to the party, and it's a radical party. It's square root, radical. And inside there's music and dancing, and he be square dancing. B times b. B square dancing. That's what he be doing. Then he stops dancing because nobody wants to really dance with him. He's just dancing by himself. And he goes into the next room where they're playing games and they're playing cards. And he tries to join in, but he doesn't win. He loses. So that's the subtract sign. He subtracts or he loses. And in poker, the guy he's playing against has 4 aces, 4 ACs. And that's a really good hand. That's why he lost. So it's b squared minus 4ac. And then the party is all over. That's the fraction. It's all over really late at night. What time is it? 2a. But don't say the m in 2 a.m. because m is not part of the quadratic formula. This is the end of K-Math. Have a great day, everyone.